Gotta be like TGA, got hands on the boobies. Bougie.
Turn it.
They try to get a professional picture. Rush, you hear me? We got mommy in the cut. I will. Yeah. I don't remember this moment. It's all dark.
What up, Benny? What up, Chris?
Yeah. Over there. Everybody say what's up. I might post this, I might not. The fam right here. You know they had to free the real. This the real right here, okay?
The whole video.
Okay?
The whole video.
Okay.
Come back tomorrow.
Okay. I'm her fave niece, by the way. And if you know that, if you know, you know. But if you don't, you don't. Okay. This work. Okay.
Happy birthday, Maureen.
Thank you. Thank you.
Henny still.
Okay. This big brother. In-law of the big brother. This the real. This his name the real. This the real mother. Okay. This the real. This Chris. My little Dominican. My little Plantano. Okay. Alright. Dreddy. Alright. Mr. Proper. Okay. This is Miss Really. I got a whole bunch of pictures of Jade. This all. It's Miss Jade. Marsha. Holding Miss Jade all day.
Wait, your father, somebody he changing her name.
Happy Thanksgiving. This my other brother. Hi, Jude. Hi, Jude. Jude, say hi to the vlog. It's my birthday today, actually. Hi, Jade. Hi, Miss Jade. Unbelated. Here you go.
Happy early birthday.
Jade, you still got it? But you got a pacifier now. She's stupid.
Yo, you silly, yo. You fuck. Yo, Jude.
I gotta see this.
Yo, Jude. That's not funny.
I'm gonna try to flip this.
Happy birthday to
You had oxtails? You said you had oxtails? And what else?
It's to wrestle, so you better sign up. Fuck you up.
Stop cussing.
Oh, I'm sorry, Johnny.
This painting that you did looks so good in the background.
The peach?
Yeah, Daniel did that.
Did what?
The peach in the background.
What peach? Oh, yeah.
My beautiful soul. This is Miss Jade. Look at both my nieces. Oh. Big niece, little niece. It could be a good picture.
Wow, Maureen, you was a nurse? What's this? School?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, school was so fun.
Drop out.
That's how I get in my school.
Is it take? I think I took the pictures.
No, you're recording.
There's a button right here.
Oh.
Miss Jade. Can we go to the movies? Let me walk around the house like I'm having a good time. Sermo, oh my God, how are you? Say hello. It's my favorite brother. One of my favorite brothers. I don't like the one before you because he's rude. That's a cute hat, but I think they sat on it and stuff.
Oh yeah, you gotta
They sat on it.
send me a screenshot of that photo.
I think it's working now. Look who came to see me.
Special shout out to my cuz. Happy birthday, girl.
Thank you.
Jade.
Come on, now the cake tastes like wax. Oh, come on.
Happy birthday
the cake.